good morning. I hope everybody had a very blessed Thanksgiving. It is Saturday after Thanksgiving Day, and I have the video on the pet wreath that I have been talking to you about that I was making for my daughter's clinic where she works. I think it turned out really cute. It's got, instead of snowflakes coming down, it's got pufflakes. I think it's really cute. And so if you are a pet lover, well, I hope that you stay tuned and that you enjoy this video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoy the video. And then I have one more wreath, which I'm making for my daughter, which I think is going to be beautiful. So I hope that you'll join me for that too. And I have some Christmas decorating videos that I hope that you'll join me for. I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, guys. I'm going to use these cute little notepads that have the cutest pictures of little Christmas pets on them. I bought 4 of them. 1 of them is a kitten and 3 of them are dogs. They are so cute. I'm also going to use a mop head. All this is from Dollar Tree except one item. I'm also going to use some of this garland. And I am going to use some craft sticks. I'm going to use some of these vase fillers, but you can use whatever you like for this part of the craft. I'm going to use this rectangular piece of wood, this beautiful glittery peace sign, this round piece of wood. It's a rather thin, a bicycle wheel wreath form. This is the only thing that is not from Dollar Tree, that material. And I've shown many times how to enlarge the bicycle wheel wreath form in other videos, so I'm going to link one of the videos in the description below so you can see how I did that. I'm going to start by using the wood, and I am going to trace around it the material so I can cut it to size. Then I am going to use some Mod Podge to glue the material onto the wood. Isn't that material so cute? I had bought that at Target. I had bought that at Walmart. It's the only item that is not from Dollar Tree. And it almost looks like little pufflakes instead of snowflakes that are going to be falling down on the cute kitties and doggies. So let's continue. I'm going to start opening the little notepads and cutting out just the cover of the notepads and cutting around the little dogs and cats. They look so cute with their little Santa hats. Next, I'm going to work with the piece of wood and the mop head. I'm going to cut a strip of the mop head and I'm going to hot glue it onto the piece of wood, and that's going to be what's going to look like snow. I'm going to add hot glue to one of the edges and hot glue the wood to the bottom part of the round wood. I also do secure that piece of wood with more hot glue on the bottom side, and then I'm going to get some white paint and paint the border that does show on the opposite side. On this clip you can see where I have hot glued 2 Jenga blocks to the part of the snow where the mop head was glued. Those little Jenga blocks are there because I'm going to be hot gluing the little Christmas trees on top of those. Where the fabric material and the snow meet, I am going to hot glue a row of Jenga blocks all along that border because that's where I'm going to hot glue the bottom part of the little dogs and cats. I'm also adding a little dab of hot glue to the top part of the doggies and the cat. Next, I am going to hot glue 3 pieces of Jenga block on the front side of the wheel wreath form and 3 pieces of craft stick on the opposite side. I will be hot gluing the centerpiece of the wreath on the side of the Jenga blocks. It just adheres a lot better to wood than it would the wire of the wheel wreath form. After the centerpiece has adhered to the wheel wreath form, I am going to cut strips of the mop head and I'm going to hot glue them all around the centerpiece. After I have completed with the snow all around the centerpiece, I am going to hot glue garland all around the outside of the wreath on the outside of the snow. After I have completed hot gluing the garland all around the outside of the wreath, then I am going to be adding lights. So I am going to put batteries on the battery pack, and I'm going to hot glue the battery pack to the back of the wreath. Then I am just going to go ahead and place the lights where I want them. After I have placed the lights where I want them, then I'm going to decorate the outside of the wreath. I'm going to be hot gluing the little foam glitter balls, and I'm also going to use pit berries, but you can use whatever you like. You can use little glitter bows, or you can use little ornaments. Just decorate it however you like. Then I am going to hot glue the peace sign to the top of the wreath, and I am hot gluing a Jenga block to the bottom because I am going to put that pretty snow ornament in the bottom of the wreath. And that will be it. That will complete my wreath. Here's how it turned out. I just love those little paws that look like little paw flakes falling all over the winter scene, and those little dogs and cat with those Santa hats are just so adorable. I really think it's super cute. I hope that you like it, and that if you are a pet lover like I am, that you will try making this wreath. I think it's really pretty, and I hope that my daughter's boss really enjoys it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.